Today's video is about top 5 tips on using Agile values to increase productivity of remote working teams and yet remain stress-free during the current crisis of ongoing pandemic COVID-19. We all understand by now that working from home is going to be the new normal during this unprecedented times of pandemic COVID-19. And to be very honest, at times this can be very stressful when your teams are working remotely and you are in the driving seat with the delivery responsibility to the customers and clients. So without any further delay, let's quickly dive into the top 5 tips to make most of the situation using Agile values. According to the first Agile value, people are more important than processes and tools. So start your workday with a virtual team meeting to make your team understand the need of the hour as per business and project requirements to set the expectations. Do actively listen to your team, be it in answering their questions, progress, or impediments. When you and your team are on the same page and the team knows their scope of work and what exactly has to be delivered, there are high chances that they remain highly productive and you remain stress-free. Second Agile value says that working software is more important than documentation. So make sure your team showcase or demo slices of their work in short intervals of time, be it a week or two. This could be as small as a UI visual wireframe part of a functional requirement, an end-to-end test case, or a script, depending on the work breakdown structure of your project and the domain that you work in. This way, as a leader or a manager, you know how much progress is being made and how the end product or the deliverable is shaping up without having to wait till the end. This again will not only reduce your stress but also will help you to share the exact authentic progress with your stakeholders, be it clients or senior management. Agile's third value is about customer collaboration over contract negotiation. This is the time to establish a very open communication channel with your customers, either formally or informally. Diligently discuss with them on the tailoring their requirements as per the current market needs to help them to sustain and grow. Proactively update them on the progress, new challenges, and potential changes in the delivery dates. Once in a while, do call them to your team's internal demo meetings, which gives them a sense of trust and transparency. And also, your team will get benefited with the instant feedback to avoid rework and big surprises, if any, in the later stages. As we all know, a happy customer is a loyal repeat customer, which helps you not only to remain stress free but also to be in the good books of your senior management and leadership team. Agile's fourth value is on responding to change over following a plan. Generally, most of us or our companies would have planned for the next set of projects as per the company's vision and laid roadmaps for the upcoming years. But this is the time to revisit those plans, apply some design thinking, and see how they can be customized to tap the new market as per the present scenario, either by offering innovative products, solutions, and services. This is also time to invest in reskilling and upskilling not only yourself but also for your teams to become future ready. This may not give you instant results, but then it will help you in the long run to grow professionally. As your teams will be ready to help you in building a proof of concept or a pilot a new project in niche areas like 5G, RPA, AI, big data, cloud computing when the need arises. Last but not least, the most important tip for the day is to have agile mindset. To be open-minded and flexible enough to prioritize, start small and fail early. Have short iteration cycles, inspect on what's working and what's not working, and adapt to the changes and continuously improve everything that matters most to your project. Don't forget to take your teams along with you in this process. Appreciate them for their contribution, empower them, and encourage them. As your team remains highly productive and efficient, it will directly reflect in the customer satisfaction and the business value, which will obviously help you to remain stress-free, much more productive, and also successful. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to the channel, The Agile Way, the only way to live, learn, and lead.